again of Good Island family. Welcome to our home. We're 100% power, solar powered off-grid
Solar power, yeah.
And these are our water barrel for the water from the rain.
For that roof.
Yep. And we have Boko here for some vitamins. And
For
this is
curry
our
or
kitchen for now. And these are our storage container for emergency.
I hope.
I think they're all closed. And this is
Well, yeah, and just a note, Eric Pourier and also John of GI Johnny Gold
wants to sponsor,
Sponsor-
our flooring here and there.
So this'll, yeah, so we have two people offering to sponsor this. Well, if one person, Eric said he may sponsor all the cement here, and if that's the case, then GI Johnny Gold will sponsor the roof for the section out there, which will be the living room, and we'll explain that in a minute. It'll be so much nicer than mucking around here. And then there will be a wall here with a door, and this will be the front of the house. This will be the front door here now. So no more, this will just be a bedroom, and then front door. Nice cement, dining table with chairs for the family to dine together. Yeah, that's not a bull, that's actually a dog. But she's strong as an ox. Walking her is quite a handful. Huh, babe?
Yes, of course. It's a bully. Which is the bully? Which is the bully? And then this is our garden, everyone. And this is the biggest tank we have for now. 1,000 liter.
Right, 1,000 liters, yeah.
1,000 liter tank.
And we want to add at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3 more of those at some point. And then we...
This is our bathroom. That looks like a house.
Filipinos call it a CR, comfort room.
And then, look at these lovely flowers over here. I just bought them from the side of the road. And I don't know what they are. And then now they're growing like
Wildfire.
beauties.
Yeah. Did you get them as, was it seed, or you
No,
grabbed a
I
plant?
get them like this, very small.
Ah,
And then, yeah.
and just
they
stuck it in the
grow like
ground?
this. Yeah.
You know, that's, yeah. Those are really something, aren't they?
It's like you're in the forest.
Yeah.
If we have this a lot over here, it's like a forest now. We have Anthony right here.
Anthony
Alone.
Rooster, because he's very naughty,
Yes.
He
keeps
picks on the other-
He keeps fighting and
fighting and...
picking other chickens. And there's another water barrel over there for shower and stuff.
Yeah, those are 200 liters, so 400 liters total, but we want to put 1,000 liter there as well. So it would sit about like that. So just crop the legs of this, drop it down, and 1,000 liters there.
And we got papaya.
Papaya, it just sprouted there.
Nice.
So we ate some papaya, threw the seeds out in the backyard, and now we have trees growing. Not bad, huh?
Guys, how many jackfruit trees?
Too many.
Too many?
I got excited about jackfruit, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's probably 10 jackfruit trees here.
And yeah, we got
You want to explain malunggay? What that's all about?
Malunggay. This is very
This one here, this
powerful-
small leaves here.
Yeah. What do you call this? Miracle fruit? A miracle. What is that?
Not miracle, superfood.
Superfood.
Superfood, because it's got antioxidants and anti-carcinogen stuff and all that. Also pumpkin down here, and calamansi. This is like small limes. Pineapple right there. There's a couple pineapple here and there.
Then we also got some calamansi and chili.
Dragon fruit. The cactus one here is dragon fruit. Got a couple of those.
Yeah, and so maybe when we get to put some roofing here for the chickens so they're not walking on the mud as well.
But okay.
And that's Ray.
Another jackfruit there. Here's a papaya that we moved here. It looks like it's starting to wake up. They don't like to be moved, obviously, but this leaf is now strong again. This leaf is now strong again, and this one's coming back, so it looks like it may actually pull through. All these leaves were like this yesterday. Trees do not like to be moved, obviously, but that one looks like it may survive.
That's Ray preparing the bamboo for our fan. So these bamboos are how much? 100 per piece?
It's
$2.
for the full
$1.87.
Yeah, let's go down there to explain it better.
How long is one bamboo though?
It's about 7 meters.
7 meters.
I would say on average. I would say some are 6, some are 8, so I would say 7. And Ray's hard at work here turning the bamboo into fencing material.
Hard bamboo. Magulang na yan ko yan. Malaki. Ray is so strong, guys.
It's hard.
All right, so here we get to see the start. So there you have it.
What's your song?
Okay, cut it in half. Wow, look at that. Wow. You're making it look easy.
Mukhang madali lang daw pag sa'yo, pag nakikita sa'yo.
Ha?
Mukha lang daw madali pag ikaw gumagawa. You wanna try?
I don't want to embarrass myself.
Yeah, run. Go, go, go.
Mahirapan siya dito. Makasubat-subat pa.
If you don't know how to do that properly, you're gonna get...
Yeah, and I already have one in my foot right now, and yeah, if I wasn't injured, I would try it though, because it does look interesting to do. But if you don't, you'll get a huge sliver right in your hand, right?
That's what he said. If you don't know how to do it properly, you're gonna
Hurt yourself bad.
hurt yourself.
Yeah, I could see a nice long splinter of bamboo. And we got lots of bananas up there, obviously. Another jackfruit there.
Yung?
Another papaya there, and it's doing well. I moved that one there yesterday, and it's doing well. I'll show you that in a second.
Ah, you can cut that down na, the banana.
Which one?
It's ready.
Well, can Ray show me how to do that one time? Because I know there's a trick to it so that the banana will grow back, right?
Kahit anong cut naman yun, di ba? Any cut, it will grow.
Really? Well, I've tried. Okay.
And that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.